Hello and welcome to another update video about Verasity. Verasity has potentially now started its wave 4 pullback finally. It's not entirely clear yet, but a little bit further and we are breaking out of this price channel to the downside. And we could enter this support area that I communicated already in the last video. So I think in the last video I highlighted that we could be very close to the top here of this third wave. It has definitely done what it needs to do in this third wave. It's even a little higher than it would ideally be for a third wave. And therefore we said we are watching for a fourth wave now. Okay, so at any point it could start. I still haven't got 5 waves up, but it might do this. It might do this third wave here in one go without any deeper setbacks. So we already had our 1-2 setup down here. That was in October. Then the potential third wave might be finished now. Fourth wave might be unfolding right now, and the fifth wave should push it to, and we can actually calculate that based on the length of the wave 1 that topped in our target area in October, watching for the wave 2 pullback and then targeting. I mean, the third wave ideally would be targeting at a very minimum here the 1.236 extension. That's at 0.0095 USD. I have to add the 1.38 extension now because that will be a relevant one, basically at 1 cent. And above that level, the 1.618 extension level at 1.21 cents. This is sort of the ideal range for this larger degree third wave between the 1.236 extension and the 1.618 extension. We're now currently in a corrective looking pullback. It's holding quite well. The support range, as we highlighted, does start at 0.0068 and ends at 0.0057. What I normally don't like is a break below the 50% fib level in the fourth wave. Even in a diagonal, ideally we don't want it to break below the 50% retracement level, but they sometimes do in diagonals, so we just need to give it a little bit more space. It's just important in a diagonal, and that means support goes down to 0.0057. Anything below that would rather emphasize the idea that Verasity already topped completely in a 3-wave structure and might actually go back into the yellow support zone down here between 0.003 and 0.004 USD. But I'm watching for this third wave to unfold, of course. That's sort of what we're watching at the moment. We had a wave 1, had the wave 2, the wave 3 might be unfolding now, in which there is still another 4-5 pattern missing. And then we should get the larger degree fourth wave, and then another larger degree fifth wave. That again would complete an even, so that's the dog in the background, that would complete an even larger degree third wave. So, Verasity is on a good track. It's potentially interesting. It's one of the coins we had on our watch list. Also with channel members, we discussed already months ago this yellow support area that the price used to turn around, which is fantastic. Reacted to it twice, then broke the trend line, reached our target, and seems to be on the way in this larger degree third wave. Okay. Now, if we talk about a target for this larger degree third wave, then again, what we can do is just to take the length of that wave 1, we go to the low of that wave 2. Yeah, and then, I mean, here, 3 cents is not going to be unusual, yeah? I mean, we need to see essentially how high that wave 5 goes and stretches and how the subdivisions really unfold. But generally, as a ballpark figure for that third wave, talking about 3 cents, yeah, 3.8, maybe even 5.7 cents. They can always extend higher. It really depends on how the subdivisions develop. If these subwaves are getting extended, or this forms another wave 1, we get a deeper pullback in a wave 2, and then it just sort of escalates higher. That we have to take it level by level with these altcoins. But currently, that bullish scenario we've been tracking for 1 or 2 months now, this is unfolding nicely, and the pullback currently looks corrective. If anything changes, I will let you know, but certainly the warning lights would go on below 0.0057 USD. That's my update about Verasity. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.